In this video, I'll show you an easy way to turn this gift bag into this gift bag. I purchased both of these products from Target. The 4-pack Spritz gift bags were $5. The 5-pack faux stems were $5. The first thing you'll want to do is use an X-Acto knife to cut 2 1-inch slits. Be careful, you don't want to go through to the other side. Then I'm going to take 2 faux stems and insert them into the slits. Next, I'm going to fluff the stems up a little bit, just so that they're presentable. After adding some tissue paper, this gift bag is ready to go.